Hello, it is Monday, October 17th, 2011 at 3:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And I wanted to show you something that I found that may help explain the flashes that we saw last night at Key West, Florida and Oklahoma City. What I have up here is the Troposphere report, and we're looking at, this is going to be hard to explain. October 16th, 1800 hours is the time that we're looking at on all four of these. And what's interesting is these little blue dots that are in almost a perfectly straight line, and they're pointing right to Key West, Florida. And over here on this report you can see that there's a little puddle. That means there's changes in elevation or something. I'm sorry, I've been studying on this somewhat, but I have a long ways to go. But in any case, it's showing a change. Each ring is a change. And so there's quick changes going on right here where this is pointed to. And so this is at October 16th, 1800 hours. And most of the flashes that we saw, that we captured anyway, were on the 17th at 000 to 600 UTC. So this is before, let's see, about 6 hours before those actually occurred, this line that comes in. So I don't know if it was some kind of signal that was sent ahead of time, and that it has a delayed reaction, or maybe it was just turned on at that point and then activated, or something else triggered it later. I don't know. There's also a blue dot down here that you can barely see. Let's see, we're at 1800. I gotta get my bearings here. There we go. So I'm going to go back 6 hours and then back 6 hours further. And there you can see that line again. And this is at, it's hard to see, October 16th at 006 UTC. That's 1200, 1800. At 1700, that's when the flashes started occurring. At 06. And then this is the most current view, which is at 12 UTC. Another thing that's interesting is if you watch here, this is where we're at the moment, but you can see that this becomes more intense and steeper. The changes are tightly woven together, because of like an indentation of sort, or a rise up, one or the other. So I'm going to go back 6 hours, 6 more hours. This is when the flashing was occurring. 6 more hours, 6 more, 6 more. I'm going to view in on this one so you can see it better. So there's 1618. Here's that line I was telling you about, and here's another one right here. So it goes right by Key West here. I'm going to go back. Now I'm going to come forward in time. We're starting at 10:15, 1800 UTC. I'm going to view back out. Well, let's see. Let's stop it at where the intense blue line is. So we're going to freeze it at that. I won't be able to change it once I move over because I lose my controls. But here is what this one looks like. And you can see the puddle right here, right where those flashes were happening. So this is still up, and I'll post a link so you can go look at it yourself. And then regarding Oklahoma City, I didn't find anything like that on this report. There's no, this is current, back 6 hours, back 6 hours, back 6 hours, back another one, another one. The one thing that I did find interesting is let's see, right here. This report down here. Let me zoom in. And again, I won't be able to change it because the controls are off the screen. But you can see right here's Oklahoma. We've got 3 different elevations coming together right here. Now granted, the Doppler radar is over here, but that is pretty close. And I'm not sure what we're showing here. It's MBRH or MB wind, and I'm not sure which is which. Oh, here's temp also. So there's a 12, a 16, and a 20 coming together right by Oklahoma, Texas border up there at the Panhandle. So anyway, I want to bring this forth, and hopefully those of you that know these things better, that this will help you see whatever it is you're supposed to see. God bless you, and have a good afternoon and into the evening.